Hi, I am Arpita from Tech Guru Assam. Are you a student, or even if you are not but confused about your career? No worries. You can join us and learn good skill on advanced mobile technology based on Android and iPhone, basic to advanced master chip level training. The training which we are providing is demanded not only in Assam but all over India. We will provide training on level 1 is for the beginners who are completely freshers. Level 2 is for the basic repairers but don't know about chip level training, and level 3 is for them who are practicing chip level training but don't know about schematic diagram, deep fault finding and even programming. There will be no language barriers. We will teach in Assamese, Hindi, English and Bengali. So we hope that there will be no problem. After the completion of course, we will provide ISO certificate and also business training. With this, you can start your own business and easily can earn up to 2 lakhs per month. So it is a great opportunity to join us. For further details, visit our website techguruassam.com or visit our institute. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.